Hello, pre-calculus students, and welcome to the lesson on analytical trigonometry, at least the beginnings of it. And we're going to start with a very simple warm-up example, which is asks us to find the solutions to theta in the interval 0 to 2 pi. So let's just quickly recap here what this question is actually asking. So let's say here you have like the cosine function, and we're feeding in theta, and we're going to get 1/2. Okay, so the question is, what kind of input can we feed into this function in order for us to get an output of 1/2? And since it's asking for the input, what this should tell you is there could be more than one possible answer. So there could be 2, 3, maybe infinitely many answer. Well, to solve this problem, we really just have to understand the unit circle and how that works. So for the unit circle, you have a point up here that's 1/2 root 3 over 2. And then you have a point over here. This is negative 1/2 root 3 over 2. So that's not a solution. Same with down here. This is negative 1/2 negative root 3 over 2. And then finally, you have one more point over here. This is 1/2 root 3 over 2. Sorry, negative root 3 over 2. Okay. So remember that on the unit circle, cosine is the x values. So that means our solution is here and here. And we just need to figure out what is that angle that we're rotating by. So again, this comes down to the unit circle here. Theta is equal to pi over 3. And that's one of our solutions. And then theta is down here equal to 5 pi over 3. So this is our other solution. Okay. So once again, to reiterate, this is a question of figuring out and understanding the unit circle. Notice here that the interval stops. The interval we're given here is from 0 to 2 pi. There are actually infinitely many different answers, but we only want the answers between 0 and 2 pi. A graphical view of this problem looks something like this. It's like here's the cosine function as a wave. All right. Let me do this a little bit better than what I got going on there. So let's see if we can do this again. So here's the cosine function. Right. And we want to know that there's a line here that's exactly equal to 1/2. So this line right here. Okay. Where does this line touch the cosine function? Well, it touches it once at this point here, and then once more at this point here. Now, if we were to extend the cosine function, this wave, we know is going to go on forever and forever, but we're only concerned, right, with between 0 and 2 pi. So at this point here, this is 2 pi. We know that this line is going to intersect the wave several more times to the left, but we're only concerned with the solution in this particular interval. So that's a nice little simple start to this, and we will get into some more difficult and challenging stuff, some richer material in the next couple videos. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.